Sorry guys, it's been a while, but with my arms healing, I'm still not able to ride the bike quite yet. But there's a couple things I can at least show you. And one is these two little items right here. As you know, I do have a bunch of receptacles on this bike. This is a USB A and C. And down here the bike came with just a 12 volt. And I did the same thing. I replaced it. This is two USB A's. All of these are fast charge and the waterproof with the covers. The only problem is they only are active when you start the bike. Now that's all fine and dandy when I'm riding, but what if I need to charge something when say I'm in a restaurant or something like that? So what I'm going to do, down here I have my charging plug that's hooked up directly to the battery. So what I did is I can basically tap into this thing with these nifty neat little items here. So here's my regular 12 volt, and these are good because sometimes you need just a 12 volt socket. However, on the bike itself, like I showed you, I had to have the USB A and C available for different things, phone charging or even my Apple CarPlay. But I do like to have this in case I need it, even if it's to help out a buddy or something with a compressor. So I do have this, and you can see it's got the plug right here that'll actually slide right into what's on my bike right now for the charger. And over here I have the same thing. I have the all the wiring I need to hook it up to that little adapter down there that's on my bike, and it plugs into this here for an additional USB A and C. And that is in case, like I said, if I jump into a restaurant, I need to charge something while I'm maybe having, you know, a bite or a beer or something like that, I can do it. And the way I'll actually set this up so nobody can steal it, I'll actually take it off that little adapter right there, just bring it up, and I'll throw it in my saddlebag here, bring all the wire and all that stuff so there's just a little wire hanging out. Then I can still close this and actually you know, have it all locked up and safely stored away. People will just see a wire, they won't know what it is. There's no way to steal anything that way. Not saying that people steal, but you know how it is, sometimes temptation gets the best of somebody and they just have to put it in their pocket. So like I said, that comes directly off the battery, so I can charge something even when the bike is shut off. And when it's running, like I said, I have this receptacle here, this one right here next to the speaker that I put in. This is a really nice one too. It's got the, again, it's got the USB A and C, and it only comes on, of course, like I said, when the bike is running. The same thing within my trunk. I have a video when I showed how I wired this and installed it. It's got this little door here. I have the USB A and C, so I can even have something plugged back into here while I'm riding down the road if I need to charge anything. And this comes in handy too with the what I'm holding right here, this camera, the little batteries and stuff like that. That way I can keep charging everything even while I'm riding. I don't have to wait till I get to a hotel, a campground, or some sort of other outlet where I can use it. I can basically just tap into those there. So that's the way I've got it set up. So there's actually plenty. So it's not really one for the Vulcan specifically, but it is showing you what I've basically done to mine. I'll do a walk around video one of these days about all the mods I've already done. They're subtle, and I've tried to make everything look as factory and OEM as I can, putting stuff in. And of course these speakers, you know, they're not factory, but it was from engineered adapters. I did paint mine, put the speakers in and all that stuff. And even under the seat, the way I wired, the wiring looks OEM. So even my luggage rack, the way I finished it off in here, kind of looks OEM. Basically allows me to have that nice luggage rack there. And I have the straps that'll fit here and here, go over and be able to hold stuff. It's mainly for something soft like a tent, sleeping bag, or something like that. I don't intend to put anything heavy on there because this whole thing is only limited to about 20 pounds and stuff anyway, as far as what you can put on it. But that's what I needed it for, the bulky stuff. And then of course I have something in the back here. I may try to see what I can come up with about maybe utilizing these holes down here with the bolts in them. Something that looks factory, that comes out, that has, I don't know, like a barrel or something like that in case I needed to run a bungee cord over. But again, I want it to look very factory, so I'll be taking measurements of those and seeing what I can come up with or something like that. But that'll be in another video some other time. Anyway, I just wanted to show you guys and gals my neatest little addition. Again, these little power outlets here. Again, even with this, in case I have this one all, you know, filled up with whatever I'm charging, I can even take this and slide it in here, and that'll give me 2 more USB-A's. So again, these don't take up any room. It's nice to have in the bags in case you need them. So again, I apologize. It's been a while, but I've been down and trying to heal up. My arms are getting back. It'll be soon. I'll be able to start riding again. And I just wanted to show you guys something. I'll be able to use my arms pretty soon to the full extent, so I can ride and feel safe and all that stuff. And I will actually start doing some vlogs on this bike, because there's not a whole lot of Voyager content. You know, it's all HD or Indian or some other bike. Gold Wings, oh my God, they're all over the place, but there's hardly any videos on the Voyager, which really bums me out because this is such a great bike. So that's about it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this. You know what to do. Hit that like button, subscribe, hit that bell notification for future content. I'll get this on YouTube just as quickly as I can, and thanks for watching.